Hi, firsties. Happy Silly Dress Day again. We're going to do some math, and I'd like for you to get out your math packet, which looks like this again, and turn to page 26 with the frog. And yesterday I asked for you to try this open number line strategy to add 2-digit numbers. So yesterday I asked for you to do this all by yourself, and today we're going to check it over. So if you want to grab another pencil, a colored pencil, a crayon, a highlighter, anything, and you can check it or do it again in another color as we do it together. So if you need to pause the video to go grab something, do that, and come on back and we'll do this page together. Okay, firsties, so yesterday we talked about how when you have 2-digit numbers and there's tens, because when we have a second digit, we know that's 110 and not just 10 ones anymore. We can count those by tens. So I had said yesterday that when I looked at these numbers, I wanted to find either the smaller number or the number that had just tens and no ones in it. So when I looked at 30 plus 12, I know 12 is a smaller number, but 30 has no ones. That means I can count 30 by 3 tens, 10, 20, 30. And I can do 3 hops instead of counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, which is a lot more counting than 10, 20, 30. I also said that with 13 and 6, I did have a 10 in my 13, but then I had 3 ones left over, so I'd have to do 10 hops and then 3 more hops. So I might as well just do 6 hops because that was like the smaller number. On 56 plus 20, again, there was 2 tens, 10, 20, which would make 2 hops of 10, which would go quicker. And then on 50 plus 19, that was a little harder for me to figure out because 19 is such a smaller number than 50, but 19 hops is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, all the way to 19, where 50 is just going to be 5 hops of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So it's going to be easier to do my hops by tens again. And then I looked at 63 and 30, and right away, I know 30 is a smaller number than 63. They both have tens in them, but I'm just going to do my 3 hops of 10 to hop to 30, which is 10, 20, 30. Now, 28 got a little tricky for me because I'm like, well, 28 is smaller than 40, but then if I count 40 and 28, that's 28's a lot of counting. So I said, okay, I'm going to hop by tens again. So I'm going to start with my 28 and I'm going to count by tens and hop 10, 20, 30, 40. All right, so now that I have my plan in place and I know how I'm going to hop and how I'm going to count, I'm going to do that. So you did this yesterday, so check your papers and make sure you hopped like I did, and check my work to make sure I got it right, just like you did. So I start with 12, so I wrote my 12 down in green because that's my go number. And it says 30 plus 12. I'm going to start with 12 and I'm going to hop 10 hops to add 30. So 12, 22, 10 more, 32, and 10 more, 42, which means that 30 plus 12 equals 42. Then I'm going to come over here, and I had 13 and 6, so this is a little easy. I'm just going to count by 1. So 13, I'm going to say 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. So I know that 13 plus 6 equals 19. How are you doing so far? Getting those right? All right, then I have 56 plus 20. So I'm going to do 2 hops of 10, and I'm going to count by tens. 56 and 10 more is going to be 66, and 10 more is going to be 76. So 56 plus 20 is 76. Now I'm going to look over here. I have 50 plus 19. And like I said, even though 19 is the smaller number, if we hop by tens, we have less hops because we only have 5 of those. So I'm going to count by tens and do 5 of those from 19. So I say 19, then I say 29, 39, 49, 59, and 69. So 50 plus 19 equals 69. So far, so good, firsties? And on our last two, I have 63 plus 30. Again, I'm going to count by tens, and I only have to do 3 hops because there's 3 tens in 30. So from 63, I'm going to say 73, 83, and then 93. So that I know that 63 plus 30 is 93. And my last one, I have 28 plus 40. I'm just going to do those 4 hops. So I'm going to count by tens 4 times. So I start with 28, 10 more is 38, 10 more is 48, 10 more is 58, and 10 more is 68. So 28 plus 40 equals 68. Okay, so let's review. 30 plus 12 equals 42. 13 plus 6 equals 9. 56 plus 20 equals 76. 50 plus 19 equals 69. 63 plus 30 equals 93. And 28 plus 40 equals 68. Okay, and that was by using an open number line to add our 2-digit numbers together. There's lots of other strategies, so I want you to use the one that works for you. And today, for the rest of math, you're going to go on to Pearson. You're going to watch the video for lesson 10.5, and then you're going to do the quick check for it. And then I will see you tomorrow. Hope you dress silly today. Bye, firsties.